Okay, so this is how you use the Google Classroom. You start off with entering a class, and you start off going to headed at the stream. Up here at the top is the stream, the classwork, and the people that you're in. At the stream is where your teacher posts all your assignments and announcements. If you head to classwork, you have all of your classwork hopefully organized, and the people is where you can find all of the people who's in your class, your classmates, and your teacher. If you go to the main menu, you can click on your classes and you can view all your classes and click on a specific one. Once you get to Cami, it'll probably take forever to load like mine does. And in it you have all of yours. And in it